Good morning. I'm just sitting by the fire and I'm drinking a hot cup of tea this morning. I'm trying to muster up the ambition to tackle that refrigerator. I'm going to take it apart and give it a good scrubbing, and then I want to get some meal planning done, and then I think before we go to the store to go grocery shopping, we're going to go walk this morning. We joined a walking group, and this will be our second time going. The first time we went, Ken and I were really surprised because we're probably the youngest people there, but we were being lapped by people 20, 30 years older than us. It was very humbling, you guys. They are like these professional mall walkers. They are like on it, I tell you what. But I have to say they're very encouraging and very welcoming, and hopefully we can build our walking endurance up to where they're at, because they do a fabulous job. But anyway, I'm going to finish my tea, and then I'm going to tackle that refrigerator first off.
First thing this morning, I want to take everything out of the refrigerator and give it a thorough cleaning. Here goes. And there's the after. It always amazes me what you find when you clean your fridge. But I always like to clean my fridge before I go shopping, for sure. So there we go. I need to start meal planning. I want to use up anything fresh that I have in the fridge or anything that's growing in the greenhouse. We wintered over a lot of herbs and a couple tomato plants and pepper plants and different things, with the exception of cilantro as far as the herbs. So for Sunday dinner, I'm going to make a Salisbury steak and a brown gravy, garlic mashed potatoes, green beans, and I have a box of brownie mix in the pantry I want to use up. Monday, we're going to do pasta fagioli soup, and I'll make some homemade breadsticks. And then I have enough stuff that I think I can make a Olive Garden-esque salad. I do have some dressing that I had bought that will make it seem more like Olive Garden. And then Tuesday, I'm going to make homemade chili rellenos because I have 5 poblano chilies. I'll make the homemade red sauce, Mexican rice, and refried beans. Wednesday, we're eating out. For Christmas, I purchased for our family a membership to a dinner club. And it's a 3-course dinner that the chef does. And he only charges $25 a person. So I think it's a really good value. Thursday, I'm gonna make some orange chicken, steamed rice. And then Friday, Ken's gonna grill some cheeseburgers. I have some sweet potatoes and potatoes I need to use. So hopefully we can use those up for French fries. And then Saturday, Ken and I are going to Boston for the weekend. The kids will be home, and I have 2 cousins, my brother, and one of my brother's friends coming to stay. So they're going to figure it out. There's plenty here that they can do something with. So that's my meal plan. And I just need to pick up a little bit of produce and milk and half. That's it. So far, 9,087 steps. I think I might make it to my 10,000 today. It always feels so good when you're done. Just getting there and attending is half the battle, but it feels good when you're done. We walked for an hour, and the weather is really quite nice. The sun is out. I'm not sure what the temp is, but I have a t-shirt on. I took my jacket off. We're headed to the store now, pick up a few little groceries that we need to get.
just got back from Price Chopper. We picked up a gallon of milk, a quart of half and half, some sour cream. As far as veggies, we got green beans, some mushrooms, celery, jalapeno. I got some cilantro because I don't have any growing in the greenhouse. And then my thyme plants, I think there's 2 of them in there, are just kind of stagnant. But I'm sure when we replant them in the spring, they'll just take off. So I got a little thyme, potatoes, onions, green onions. I also picked up some Pink Lady apples, some Cara oranges, and then the pistachios were $3 off. So they were $7 a pound. I picked up 2 pounds. And that is our grocery haul. We're just topping off the car with gas. We just finished dinner. I hit my 10,000 steps. Yay! We might as well check the air in the tires too, because I think one of them's saying it's low. So we're going to do that. So we wanted to tell you about this really funny thing that happened when we were in the walk club today. There was this group of like 4 ladies. They were all walking together, and this one lady kept taking a break. And then as they came up behind us to lap us one more time, we kind of eavesdropped a little, and we could hear them. And what'd they say, Kenny?
She said, I don't know why she keeps taking breaks. She could be out here walking with us. She's not old. She's only 78.
I know. And Ken and I looked at each other.
She's like, I'm 20 years older than her.
Oh my goodness. And they were serious. That was the thing.
Go ahead.
It was, you guys, it was so hilarious because Ken and I were like looking at each other, you know, like, and we gave each other the look like, we need to step it up. We need to step it up. Like, pick up the pace. Pick up the pace. But, you know, it's all good. But it was just kind of funny. Anyway, I made my 10,000 steps. That's all I care. I guess I'll talk to you guys later. See you in the next video. Ciao.